So the real value to it is standardization. It's very expensive to standardize hardware. It's a fast-moving landscape of communities. There's new acquisitions every day, and installations take time. So to really bring these new communities into the fold, if you're a regional, per your question, if I'm responsible for 10 buildings, do I have to log into 10 different things? Do I have to consolidate reports? Do I have to build my own piece? Do I have to train those 10 buildings in a different manner? The value of Notify is being able to standardize that entire process while continuing to use the existing system that you either invested in or inherited.